Once the investigation is completed, the EEOC will determine if the charge has merit or not. If the EEOC doesn't believe there is reasonable cause that discrimination occurred, a dismissal or notice of rights is sent to the individual who filed the charge. If the EEOC believes there is reasonable cause that discrimination occurred, a letter of determination is issued. If your organization receives an EEOC charge, use it as an opportunity to improve your company's probability of success. Since successful operations are the business goal, a part of that process is complying with all legal requirements. You as a manager play a key role in ensuring that success by knowing the law and implementing best practices to stay within the law.
Just remember, even though an EEOC charge and investigation can seem daunting, the EEOC can actually help employers. Their investigations can prevent employee false claims of discrimination and dismiss any charges when no violation has occurred. Oh yeah, and don't forget to check out the downloads on how to respond to a charge of discrimination and what an employer should know about EEOC investigations. Oh, there's those key points.
An employee can't just file a charge. They have to prove they were discriminated against and provide detailed information about dates, times, and witnesses. If you're notified by the EEOC of a charge, that means they've already deemed it a legitimate complaint that merits further investigation. But a charge doesn't mean your company is automatically found guilty of engaging in discrimination. It only means that the EEOC has decided to investigate it. When investigating a claim, the EEOC will ask for documents related to the claim. They could include documents related to the individual's employment history, any changes to their status, applications, resumes, promotions, and performance reviews, any measures taken to prevent discrimination, company policy manual or employee handbook, interviews with employees conducted by 2 different managers and signed off on by HR, record of similar situations with other employees, and any kind of disciplinary action taken against the employee. Look for any other documents that might be used as evidence to show that your company policies and procedures support fairness and equity in your company's decision-making processes. Witness interviews. You may be asked for contact information for employees who are witnesses and to make them available for interview. You can be present for management employee interviews. Once the investigation is completed, the EEOC will determine if the charge has merit or not. If the EEOC doesn't believe there is reasonable cause that discrimination occurred, a dismissal or notice of rights is sent to the individual who filed the charge. If the EEOC believes there is reasonable cause that discrimination occurred, a letter of determination is issued.
Pause the program. Think about your documentation. Do you have what would be needed to support your organization? Complete employee records on all employees, promotions, hiring, disciplinary action, and an employee handbook. Write down what you have and see if you're missing anything.